kind of got down to the end of this Thunderbird project under the hood, and it gets kind of fun at this point because now we get to pick out everything and make it look as pretty as we can. One of the problems we ran into was we had installed a new Holley 4-barrel carburetor, which is totally different than the original Holley carburetor that we used to call a teapot. And that carburetor, which is a common problem that we run into, sets at a different angle, and it's a little bit bigger than the other carburetor, so the old air cleaner is not going to work. We could modify it, and make it work, but the owner decided that it would be just simpler to put another air cleaner on there. So now this is kind of like going into the dressing room and trying on a new dress or something for us. We're really kind of excited about showing you the different options here and then see what you think. So here's the first one. This is really a pretty nice air cleaner. It's nice and heavy. It's not that thin metal that you normally see with air cleaners like this. It's very shiny, and it fits almost here, and we can make it work, and actually looks pretty good on there. When I first saw it, it kind of looked kind of hokey, but the longer we look at it, the more Victor and I like it. So now we're going to go in the dressing room and bring out another one for you to look at. And you can have that one, Victor. And the thing I like about this one, it's got a real heavy lid on it. It's got some spots in it like this where they've machined it to kind of match the valve covers. Actually, I've got this same air cleaner on my Corvette, and I really do like it, by the way. It looks, and there's that one. Now, that looks pretty good, too. So we're going to let the owner decide, obviously, which one he likes best, but it was kind of fun trying them on and seeing which one looks best, and we'll see how we end up on this to see which one the owner likes best. I'm Barry Wilson, Wilson Auto Repair. Our website's wilsonauto.com, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel.